Little girl, I saw you fighting with that hen. That was pretty amusing. I wish you would do it again. I went and got my phone, and you stopped fighting with the hen. What's going on with that? There's your mama. Ah, little baby. Oh, here comes Nebby. Hi, Nebby. Hi, pretty girl. Oh, thank you. You did a good job today. Thank you. Yes. What else we got? So we got Cosmo. We got Romeo. And Fat Cosmo. And Kyla. And Kyla's baby. I got to come up with a name for you. Because I'm keeping you. Hey, Ma. All right. Shake it, shake it, shake it. How's your fur doing? You look good.